Here are the top 5 foods to help you lose that holiday weight in a unique and delicious way. And make sure to check out number 5. It's a culinary twist that will definitely surprise and delight you. Avocado and Egg Breakfast Cups for breakfast. 1 avocado, half with 1 egg. It would be 230 calories per serving. Halve an avocado, remove the pit, crack an egg into each half, season it, and bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Berry Chia Pudding as snack or dessert. 1 cup portion with 200 to 250 calories per serving. Mix chia seeds, almond milk, honey, and berries. Refrigerate overnight. Sweet potato toast for breakfast or lunch. 2 slices with 150 to 200 calories. Thinly sliced sweet potatoes, toast until crispy, add toppings. Spinach smoothie for breakfast or post-workout. 1 medium glass daily with 150 to 200 calories. Blend spinach, Greek yogurt, banana, almond milk, and cinnamon. Quinoa Pizza Crust for dinner. 1 personal-sized pizza with 300 to 400 calories. Cook and cool quinoa. Mix with an egg and cheese, season. Press onto a baking sheet. Bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Here's the twist. For the toppings, go beyond the usual and try something exotic like pear and gorgonzola, or a Thai-inspired combination of peanut sauce, chicken, and cilantro. This unexpected take on pizza will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also add an exciting variety to your diet. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing for more content like this.